Hi, my name is Lauren with Wholly Beautiful, and today we are talking about hidden crown extensions, more specifically the hidden crown halo, which I have on right now. Girl, okay, so we have a lot to talk about. I have ordered many extensions over the years. I am a licensed cosmetologist of 8 years. I have 6 years experience behind the chair. And I've worked with a lot of hair. I've worked with really, really bad hair and really, really good hair. So I definitely know the difference, especially when it's on my own head. If you're here, you likely are interested in hair extensions. So hopefully this can help you make a decision if you're trying to shop around. So I purchased the 18-inch Daydream Halo. Hidden Crown offers a lot of different colors, a lot of different lengths, and what makes them a little unique compared to some other companies that I've ordered from is you can actually choose desired thickness of the hair by weight in grams and the finish on the ends of the hair. Sometimes when you buy extensions, they are like really thick, almost like a paintbrush. On the bottoms, and sometimes that just doesn't work with your hair texture. Say you have finer hair and then you order extensions that are really, really thick and heavy, it's just not going to look really natural with the way that your hair looks. So that was something that was a really, really big plus to me and made me want to order from them. The other thing that I thought was really, really unique was that the wire for the halo is adjustable. And so I've bought another halo before, and if you've seen my other video, I'll put it up here somewhere. It came with a lot of different sizes of bands, but it wasn't like you could fit it to your head, which you can with Hidden Crown, which I think is super cool. You're gonna get a much more snug fit. It's not gonna move around. So that was another selling point for me. So when you order from Hidden Crown, they send you basically like almost like a garment bag for your hair. And inside of this, the hair is sealed up as well. And also this little hanger, I'll take it out for you, is really, really nice to have when you are styling the hair because it's pretty narrow and you just clip the hair onto it and then you can hang it. I've hung it on a towel rack in my bathroom. I've hung it on a door to style the hair. So it makes it very, very easy to work with the hair. And it's also nice because it's smaller. I've used like pants clips from my closet, but those are kind of wide and so it can be kind of hard to fit the hair to. So it's really, really nice that they include this. Then they also send you an extra wire kit with a little bead, which I'll explain in a minute how that works to customize the wire to your head. They give you tiny pliers so you don't have to have any tools. If you don't have any extra tools to actually adjust it to your head, they give you those too. And they send you with these 2 extra little color swatches in case the extensions that you ordered are slightly off. Now, for me, I ordered, like I said, the 18-inch Daydream version, which is more of a natural kind of tapered ends. I have pretty fine hair naturally, and I just didn't want it to be super, super thick and heavy at the bottom. I wanted it to be a little more soft and mermaidy. And I ordered the shade number 60/8, which is like a very ash blonde with some low lights. And I knew that when I ordered it, I would have to custom tone it to my hair because my hair is, the color looks fine, but like from a technical perspective, it's kind of a hot mess. So I bought the really, really ashy extensions, knowing full and well that I would likely have to make them a little more golden to achieve this beige kind of blonde. So anyway, these are custom toned. Like, don't think that this is what you get if you order 60/8. It definitely is a very, very cool, pearly blonde. I wouldn't say it has a blue base. It has more of a purple base if you are interested in color. So anyway, that is everything that it comes with. Oh, I forgot. It is not. It also comes with a clip. You get your own clip, which you can use to get that out of the way. And a comb. So if you like to use a rat tail, I just use my fingers to section, but you can use a rat tail to do that. And it's also great if you need to flick out little pieces that get caught underneath the halo and to comb over the wire so that you can blend in the hair. They really give you a complete set of stuff to work with a halo, especially if you are new to hair extensions. I think that it's really great, everything that they offer. I think The only thing I wish that they would include that they don't is like an extra swatch of your extension. That way, if you want to try to color match it, you can, because the way that they have it packaged, if you open the packaging, you can no longer return it. And so if you're trying to color match and you're struggling to get it right, you're either going to just have to guess and possibly mess up your extensions, or you can actually use one of the other swatches that they provide if those colors work better for you. I'm impatient. I just decided to color them myself. So that's the only thing. I wish it came with an extra color swatch. As for the hair, the quality is top notch. I actually feel like when it air dries, the natural texture has a very, very soft wave. It's not as tight as some of the other brands that I've used before, and it actually kind of looks like how my natural hair is when it dries, which is kind of nice too. It styles really easily, it holds curls really, really well, and I have been so incredibly happy with this. The nice thing too about this particular halo that I bought, the Daydream, it's not as, like I said, thick and heavy as some extensions, and it doesn't feel as hot or heavy on the head, and especially because I already have long hair, I don't need a ton of extra volume in there too, because the length of my hair is already going to fill that out a little bit more. I just wanted a little extra something just to look a little more glamorous. I've also had a lot of postpartum hair loss, and so I love having a little extra hair to work with, whether it's just to have it down or if you're doing some type of updo. Like, it's just so nice to have some extra hair to play with. So basically, on one side, you've got this little bead, this little micro bead that is hidden in here. And on the other side of this wire, you've got the long end of the wire, and you're able to use it like a pulley system while it's on your head to adjust it. And once you get it to the desired length to match on your head, you simply take those little pliers, crimp that bead, cut off the excess of the wire. And what you can actually do too to make it just a tiny bit more secure is tie a teeny tiny knot right in front of where that little micro bead is. So you can see that. Extra bonus tip on styling your extensions to blend your hair in so you don't necessarily see a shelf of hair. If you wear extensions and you start paying attention to like movies and stuff, sometimes you'll see like where the actress's hair is like a shelf and it's not blended into the extensions. And when you wear extensions, it will start to drive you crazy when you see that on other people. So what I like to do to really help camouflage my own hair into the extensions, my hair, it falls kind of about here, and let me see if I can find a piece for you. You can see it's pretty long, but what I like to do is make sure, if you're wearing your hair in kind of a wavy style like this, make sure the ends of your own hair are more curled, even if you're wearing the extensions kind of wavy. The reason is, if your natural hair has a little more curl on the ends, it's going to kind of almost like tuck into the extension rather than being straight and poking out. So it will just look like part of like the wave pattern that's going on with the overall style. It really, really helps to camouflage those ends so they're not just stick straight and poking out. Also, you want to make sure that you can see if I get real close up because that light hits it. Normally you're not going to see it because there's not a giant spotlight beaming at you most of the time. But it's really easy to camouflage this wire. I also feel like the wire on this is It's not overly stretchy, but it's not too thick either. It's actually very, very comfortable. I haven't had any issues with it making my head hurt even after a full day's wear. The actual band itself, because I got the not like super thick wefts, like it lays pretty flat to the head, which is also nice because sometimes if you get really, really thick, like a lot of grams, it's going to add some kind of bulk to the side, and you almost have to like compensate by adding some extra volume at the top. So if you like this video, please make sure to like and subscribe. This really helps our community to grow and increase visibility of my videos, and I can continue to bring you more reviews and beauty and tutorials, etc. Anyways, I love my hidden crown halo. I think that it's awesome. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.